How to show or hide gaming on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the tab bar. Okay, tap the tab bar. Here in tab bar, you can see here the customize the bar. You can choose what you like to see on the tab bar. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see the available settings here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to show or hide the gaming on Facebook tab bar. And the gaming is set into auto. So to hide this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the button on the right side of this gaming. And the pop-up below are show. And you can see here the hide. So don't show in your navigation bar. You can tap the hide. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully hide this gaming on Facebook tab bar. So if you want to show again the gaming on the Facebook tab bar, okay, you'll have to do is go to hidden section and you can see here the gaming and tap the button on the right side and the pop-up below are show. So okay, here there are two options, the pin and the auto. So if you select the pin, keep in your navigation bar. So if you select the auto, show or hide depending on your activity. And I decide to set into pin. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully show or hide gaming on Facebook tab bar. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.